Assalamu alaikum. I have this HP laptop with an Intel i7 8th Gen CPU. This laptop has a BIOS problem. If I turn on the device, I will see this error message. It is a failure update for the Intel Management Engine Firmware. Even if I press the Enter key to continue, it will restart and display the same message over and over. And I cannot get rid of this message. Let's remove the bottom cover and take a look inside. Here is the model number. It is an HP ProBook 640G5. I had already disconnected the CMOS battery and the main battery too. We have two BIOS chips on this laptop. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. This one in the socket is the main BIOS chip, and this smaller one is the EC chip. I think it is 16 megabytes. I will just start with the main BIOS. Let's see how to remove it from this socket. You need to push this lock forward carefully, like this. Now I can easily remove the chip. Here is our BIOS chip. It is from MXIC, 256 megabits means 32 megabytes. I will solder the chip to this WSON8 adapter because I don't have one with a socket. The soldering is looking good. Now I will connect it to the programmer to read the file. The software cannot detect the chip. I will double check the solder pads using the soldering iron. Let's try again. I got a different error because I made a mistake here. I didn't install the adapter in the right position. Now it has to be good. I will choose the same IC number, then press read IC. It is finished. Now I will press verify IC. It has succeeded. I will save the file and give it a name. I check the file and it doesn't look like the original file. I think someone already messed with it. Let's flash my new file. It is done. I will put the chip back into the motherboard. I want to show you something first. As you can see, the charging LED is blinking amber and white rapidly, and this because I still didn't put the chip into the socket yet. Now it is beeping 3 long and 2 short. Also the caps lock LED is blinking the same code. This refers to a RAM issue because I forgot to install the RAM module. It is normal to see 5 blinks on the caps lock LED in the first boot after flashing the BIOS. However, the laptop has to work in 2 minutes or something like that. Now it is on and updating the BIOS too. Just keep waiting. It is recovering the data from the embedded controller or the EC. Unfortunately, this failure update message for the Intel Management Engine Firmware is still exists. At this point, I will need to flash the 16 megabytes EC chip too. I covered the plastic socket for the mini chip to prevent the heat from melting it. I can also add some of this low melting solder paste in order to decrease the melting point for the factory solder. Now it will be much easier for me to desolder that chip from the board. Let's do the same like what we did with the main chip. I will flash this new EC file. Let's solder the chip back to the motherboard. The soldering looks fine and I didn't melt the plastic socket. After assembling the laptop, let's see what will happen. Bismillah. Just give it like 2 minutes. Alhamdulillah, it is working and the Intel ME message disappeared. Now I will have to insert the DMI, then we'll lock the manufacturing mode. I have done this before in other videos. And if you don't have the original BIOS file, you can find the DMI written inside the bottom cover. Now as you can see, it is working fine and there is no more error messages. I hope you learned something useful from this video and we'll see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.